You had to get out of OutSystems to be interviewed.
No, I was a developer at heart and I miss getting to be techie, so traditional development brought a lot of challenges around kind of resource, cost, things like that, where it was just difficult to get a return on investment. And so low code was easy to get people trained up on, easy to implement, and then meant we could do as much, if not more, with fewer people and quicker. We did assess Power Apps, but OutSystems was just more mature and more sustainable to implement. It had the option of like extensibility where we needed to implement, snippets of traditional code, should that be an option we needed to explore. And then the whole SaaS setup of we can do the dev work, we can build the apps, but we don't need to worry about the infrastructure and manage all of that. That's left as OutSystems' problem, not ours. That just made it so much easier to do. That gave us the confidence of let's actually build something ourselves. Let's see how far we can push this. So our flagship kind of Gen AI tool is probably our job matching tool. And that means that we can take all of the candidates we've got in our internal database that we could potentially place in shifts across all of the clients we have and so on. There's about 1 million of those, I believe, thereabouts. We can feed that into our Gen AI tool, give it a job description for a specific role we need to fill, and it comes back with the best kind of top matches to that job description with kind of commentary around why that person would be suitable, any potential weaknesses we may need to prepare for, and so on. So if we were to try and achieve the same thing with traditional development and traditional developers, it would mean probably doubling, if not tripling, the number of developers we use per kind of project, but also that timeline would increase significantly as well. I don't think we'd have anywhere near as much as we have live. There's obviously the Forge components to integrate with OpenAI and so on, but the key to it was how easy it was to integrate with the various integrations we had, all of the tools we needed to bring in to be able to do that successfully. I would say OutSystems is a brilliant investment for many companies. We run 9, 10 applications on OutSystems and get more results out of those, so absolutely it's worth the investment.